Hello, hello, and welcome to the big show. CJ, I am the PT Barnum of crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, crypto. No, we're doing AI today. Oh, we do a little bit of both, and this is the crossover of my girl right here, the sniper. I've been waiting to work on her. I haven't had a minute. Okay, so I'm going to try it like this for formats today. So we got three things we're going to be working on. Finally getting time to work on DeFi Sniper a little bit, and you guys get to watch me work on trip agents. Okay, so today, finally we get to clean up the DeFi Sniper, which is my CLMM rebalancer. Right now, this is just the shell. Okay, got a little bit of the functionality. The back end's all done. This is like 85% done. So what we're doing today is I'm going to be actually making the UI work. I want to have some deposits to be able to demo and show to some people at the trade show. There's going to be a full DeFi dash portfolio for your wallet, swap bridge, all that good stuff. All the other modules I already have built, and like I said, the back end of this has Tracer in it, the database. It has my AI in it, EILA. It has a full paper trading engine, which we're going to be exposing first. I can't wait to try that. And then here's where it gets fun: the EILA OS and her agentic cores in there. Watch them, get it. So you pick a couple of liquidity pairs, right? So I'm going to start with like 3, and maybe I'll do like a couple of dexes. So you basically say, hey, watch this trading pair. In this case, wrapped ETH USDC on, I think this is on base. This is just a placeholder, so nothing really clicks through. But we're going to be making this live end up today. This is all ready to go. So hopefully by the end of this, we'll have this going. And then, the goal is just, be able to get deposit trade. Once I get that online, then the AI core kicks on. Now here's where things get fun. I'm going to tell her a couple of pairs. I was going to watch that just like hawk. In fact, the programming for this agent is literally nothing but this. Doesn't care about anything else. Ruthlessly efficient trading tool. And what it's going to do is chart, graph, edge graph, and make trades on the paper trading account. And then it's going to grade score its stuff, and it's going to learn really, really fast. Projections on this thing should be out trading me in about 2 to 3 months from 0, and I started in 2017, and it should be like smoking me and other algos probably in under 6 months. With regards to CLMM's liquidity and the pairs I tell it to watch, once it becomes very good at those pairs and it knows it's mapping, grading, scoring, it learns over time, educates itself, then I can slowly introduce it to broader markets on the paper account. When this baby starts making money with paper, click, and you can give it real money. Get it. Ruthlessly efficient trading tool, excellent educational tool. And when I put this front facing, I'll probably let people maybe use it as a paper trading. And then I'm going to have a secure version for myself to use that's not front end. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll front end it. But for right now, you guys are watching the development. And then I'll show you guys when we do the testing. So the main things we're working on, though, is Tracer. Why do we got to get Tracer online? Well, Tracer is my composite component library, templates, if you will. And it's all back there, but I just moved everything to the GitHub. So we got to wrap up the wiring, right? Because I moved everything here a couple days ago. And 6 days ago. So yesterday and over the last few days, I've been doing the back-end wiring, the API points, blah, 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 getting it all persistent, separating them from the development server where everything was a little chaotic and, some services and stuff kind of, overlapped a bit. So we separated that. Okay. 9 closed, all 10. What the hell's left? Oh, this one's empty. Okay. Anyhow, so that's what we're doing today is finally got all that stuff caught up yesterday. So right now, let's get it. So we're going to work on Tracer. And while we're working on Tracer at the same time as we're working on Switchboard, which is our CRM, we're going to be debuting that in the show in Miami. Now we're working on Comms 360 so we can do our automation demo at the trade show. And in order to more quickly fill this in, because I got to get my comms section working for SMS and emails for the automation loop, and I have to get the workspace going for the calendar events to set a meeting that's going to be part of the automation. So everything's here, but some of this stuff isn't wired in yet. The calendar is way more done than it looks here. This is the development front end. And basically how Tracer ties into that and why I'm doing these things all at the same time as well. T-minus 2 weeks to the show, man. And once I get Tracer online and I can see my templates, my little blue minions can cut the templates in. So it's going to be a force multiplier as far as wrapping up Switchboard with searching my warehouse, getting templates and assets into a temp file, and then the new agents just cut them in. So workflow speeds up like really quickly here. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. So I think I'm going to do Tracer over here because that's the one I really end up getting a bunch of scripts on because there's so much stuff. And that's Comms 360 on this one. That's the Sniper on this one. And there's Tracer right here. Nope, that's not it. Bouncing Switchboard. Missile? Oop. I just got my agents lined up over here and then we're good to go. Good, that can go. CLM. Comms 360. Let's go this one or the other one. That's that. Nope, that's not it. Fuck's sake, this fucking thing. I tried this yesterday and it did not work right. Network. Alright, so I'm gonna do Sniper up here. Bro. What the fuck is this thing doing? Get pull, buddy. Come on, get with the program here. Let's go. She's pretty far along, as you can see. This is all the existing stuff. Just the minions want to see where everything is now that we pulled it in. Okay, there's all my template packages I pulled in when I was building it, because we have to keep those for reference while we're building. And then, okay, overall grade, back end 9.5, project organization 9, front end a 4, and that's what we're working on. Sweet. Bigger observation. Risk gates dashboard. That separation is excellent. I know, because I built it. My minions are giving me praise. Yay. A little pat on the back on this one. The sniper project is pretty big. This is like my personal favorite one. I'm really excited to get to try it. The paper trading engine in there. We chilling. I want to see EILA trade though. You know, like I built these systems and I really have been getting everything organized and getting it ready to, like, you know, do case studies, have people actually test it, run it, etc. And, you know, I haven't had time to actually play with any of this stuff because, you know, I've been busy building it. Got the kiddos and the summertime, and yeah, I don't fold under pressure. Just get it done. Anyhow, I have fun doing it. Streaming it, well, I mean, that's just, I like to call it guerrilla self-promotion. But no, what it does is it gives me build history. I can go back and look if I really, you know, screwed something up royally. And happens on occasion, but I always fix it. And you know, it also creates a bit of a you know, a record of building everything. So multifunction. After we do this, I think later tonight I get some housekeeping. This is, did it go that time? No, it's broke. You're killing me here, Smalls. All right. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, we already did this ish. Oh, let's hit it again. Oh, I'll puff me off right now. Did I give it the wrong name? I did give it the wrong name. That one's on me. Alright, change this. Ugh. Okay. Got that taken care of. Alright, what the? Bro. Well, like, why are you holding out on me? Made me hit the button a bunch of times, butthole. I'm pretty sure my GPU is mad at me for everything that's getting rendered because I got like another 3 or 4 screens you guys can't see. There's a lot going on. But I also have a pretty huge system. I think it's just this app. Anyways. Okay. Waiting for that to come back. Jump back to, let's see, Tracer is going to go here. All right, then check the browser-facing proxy. Yeah, well, proxy's right here. So, basically I got all these windows open so you guys can see. So as I'm developing, if there's a change, you'll see that crash or work. Either way. Okay, if both return, I didn't return dick all good, so. Anyways, as soon as I get Tracer, I can finish my comms. As soon as I can do that, and then I'm good. Well, I don't care what it means. Also, with 3 of these, like, you can probably see my eyes, like, wide open. That's why my sunglasses are, like, my eyes get bug-eyed because, like my brain just concentrates so hard trying to do 3 of these, keep them separated. Remember, with 3 separate agents, I'm actually acting as an orchestrator, which is why I invented EILA. See, what I like to do is remove myself from the situation. So, eventually, what I'm doing right now, EILA is going to be able to do with, like, multiple projects at the same time. Way better than me. But we're working on it. We're getting there. The factory XYZ basically and the EILA V3 system together. That's the brain. That's the nervous system. That's the thought process. That's the factory would be her thinking and memory. Thinking. And then her brain would be the core, the callable agents, and that architecture with the line graphs and everything. So you get your brain that stores your thoughts like a hard drive, your brainstem, nervous system, thinking, reacting to environments, etc. You get the idea. Okay, to this set. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. 3 sets of 3 for each window, and then pop to the next. Rotate the work. Or whenever we hit a build. or test, which is right there, npms. Okay, npm tests. Okay, post these. That was a failure, so we're gonna have to come back and correct those. Okay, back here. Come on, you're killing me here, Linda. All right, there we go. My whole thing locked out. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. All right, current state. Oh, okay, that's those tabs. Activity, timeline, module comments. What do I do now? Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like, buddy. Right here, buddy. Let's go. Bash commands, bro. Slow me down. See, cognitive load, I almost went right in there. Even though I got all my things labeled like factory viewer, that's trade Carlos 360. I don't know why this is in the factory. I think that's where the sniper things are. Bash commands, asshole. Dude, this fucking thing. Stop pushing on every fucking commit until they're clean, asshole. Fucking guy. Tell you, these minions just do whatever the hell they want. Tell them what to do. Yep, we're gonna do what we want. The annoying part is, this is all there. It's wired in. I already had it working. And then when we moved everything over, so there's a bug someplace that's not pulling it. Like that already worked. The last part we were working on was the actual viewer to just show the images. But before I could see the code, the snippets, the text, everything. So it is all there. I think it's like one of the nodes is off. Actually, I take that back. It's throwing errors on. See unexpected character at line 1, column 1 of JSON data. So it's either not hitting it or it got broke when we moved it, which is just a matter of finding it and repairing it, which I had to do to some of the other repos. It's just annoying. This is like what I need the most. Because it speeds up so many other things once I get that piece connected. And also that tracer thing for the cut-in and the tracer UI is part of a thing for a commercial application. But I just built this like a couple of days ago, so in the middle of the build is moving everything over, so it was already a work in progress. It's not a finished product that I'm trying to debug. Yeah. Will be. What the fuck? It's in here somewhere. Now, see, those are the JSON strings. I think. Yep. So I think I found it. That's what I was looking for. That's the export stuff. Found it. And what's the problem with that? Ah. There was some fuckery afoot. When I brought everything to my custom Git repo that I built for my server, see it's throwing these 404s. That means your page isn't gonna not found. So like I said, that's the problemo. As soon as we find where to point it, which is what we're looking for right now. There's just a lot on my server too, and in the process, this is actually the organization process. Like all my new builds will go start at the Git, so this won't be a problem with really anything else in the future. Progress, you know. I'm a grown-ass man. I handle grown-ass man business all day long. This is like dealing with disorganized kids and helping them get organized with their homework. But they don't have any homework, so they're hiding in their rooms because they know I'm on stream. I'm sure one of them's going to come out and stick to... Whoa! Saw that? Okay. Where's the one that I need, though? Chatwood. This is what I need. Come on, baby, load. Loads quicker than that. Because I think we changed that one. Oh, it might just need to reboot the back end or something. Why are you looking at this shit? Oh, I want to see who has it. Bash commands. I'm not dealing with that bullshit. Stop it. Bro, your commands don't fucking work. I'll tell you shit, fucking idiot. Paradise City with the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Won't you please? Alright, I'm restarting the back end on Tracer. Hopefully, let's get it back up. And then I can actually do what I need to do, which was finish my viewer. Which we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, so before I had a 404, now I got a 502. So we cleared the first one. This is a different one. And this is what happened on all the other ones when I debugged them. When you finally get close to where the problem is, it'll jump and you get a different error code. So we cleared one by booting the back end. And then I was in production, in the middle of production for Tracer, so the viewer thing was throwing some errors because we were trying to get it to work. And the thing that kills me is I had everything working except that one thing. And then I moved everything. 2 steps forward, I take 10 steps back. That's like my reality. Not really. But then after that 10 step backs, it's usually like 100 mile sprint forward. So it's fair. Back to the sniper. Now, see, that's my sniper right there. Boom, look at that. Yeah, it's a nice coding right there, baby. That's how you do it. In case y'all wondering. Okay, these are my dependencies, right? Let's hit it again. Not sure if I did that one. Okay, workspace configuration. All right. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Time after time. Well, how's he going on over here? Even Ozzy's like, I couldn't even read your mind. What the fuck? I must have blown it up. Did I blow it up? What the fuck happened? That was weird. Alright. I'm not sure what happened there. Alright. What root cause? Oh, okay. Do do do. My turn. Bro, if everything's 9 out of 10, what the hell's the problem here? Let's go. The biggest gap is that the front end hasn't caught up with the back end. No shit, Sherlock. That's what we're working on right now. These guys are geniuses sometimes, I swear to God. Unreal. Dude, I literally just set up my own GitHub like 5 days ago. Okay, this project has been on there at this stage, and now I am starting to work on it. So, do notes, whatever the fuck you want. Do the push to get pulled. I don't give a fuck. Just keep it moving. Let's go. Oh shit, the showdown. She cried to the southern wind. Keep on crying them crocodile tears. And it's raining all over the world. A little EILA. My singing sucks. My throat's smoked. But it's pouring out here. Should probably turn that down. Okay. Like blood. No, Nando. Fucking thanks. All right, we're done with you. You're being an idiot. Sometimes you just go in circles. No shit, it's a different failure. Good. Just did. Do this for fun. Hello. A lot going on there, huh? So no name that feels good to be out of the rain in the desert. You can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no name. Blah 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 blah. Excellent. I mean, it shouldn't be a fucking problem, dude. Fuck that. All right, viewer service. Main process exited. Code status 143. Oh, the status loves me. Tracer viewer service fails with result exit code. Stopping. It's just crashing and going in a loop. Which is good because I think that's roughly kind of where we were at when I was working on it, like building it, trying to get it working. This viewer thing is the last part of Tracer. So I was right up to everything works in the viewer, and then I put it onto my new GitHub, and then we're just debugging some stuff now. And I think we're down to the nitty gritty. You stop manually. Okay. So it looks like it was a couple things. It was that I had it persistent, that I had the assistant thing running, and then when I moved it, the little loopies it's been doing. Okay. That's off. Restart. And come on, baby. Come on. $200. Ha ha! Let's see if it fucking works. All right. And then verify Cloudflare. Well, I already got Cloudflare. Let's check. 200. Yeah! Almost like I know what I'm doing. Just fake it till I make it. Okay. Vectors. That's right. Google it. Fuck yes! That is it! Ah! Fuck yeah! Sorry. I've been fighting with this for 3 fucking days. Now, here's the last piece of the puzzle. See these green lights? That means I can see an image, okay? Boom. Related cards. Call card, call story, floating widget. This goes to my factory warehouse. These are all coding templates. There's the code, right? Compose a new conversation. Right? There's all the code for it. And guess where that goes? Right here for my conversations tabs. Those are all pre-made templates. We're just going to cut them in and then layer the cake. I feel better. Do you guys feel better? I feel a lot better. If you're watching, I hope you're excited for me because fuck, that was a pain in my ass. Problem solved. I resolved conflict. Conflict resolved. Fuck that 402 whatever. Back me up with a 5. All right. I'm done being childish. No, I'm not. All right. So this is where I was before I decided to set myself back and be a masochist. But development goes a lot quicker now. So data table. Oh, look at all this shit. Y'all have no idea. This is a fucking force multiplier, and anybody that knows what they're looking at knows exactly what the fuck I got right here. Oh yeah, you need documents for your repository? What do you need documents on? Email block list? How about an admin organization member update? Probably won't need it, but I got it. Data tables? A claim update if you're claiming stuff, and then look at all the related files that go with it. Folder. Oh my god, y'all have no idea. Oh fuck my life right now. This isn't even everything. This is just a handful of things. Want to create a table in Lance database? There you go. Whoop! Ah! Tagify, my guy. My tagging engine. Oh, God. But anyways, this is the one we need. I need to see the fucking assets, buddy. That's it. Get the fucking viewer working. Let's go. All right. Real progress there, kids. Back to the sniper. Market maker. Okay, here we go. See if we can get some progress over here. Hold me close, my time to dance up. I'm a horrible fucking singer. Let's see if this worked. Mm-hmm. Mm. God, I think we might have update the front end types. Do 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 do. So, you know, my boy Justin will tell you I'm vibe coding right now. Allow me to retort. I mean, I feel that's a rational response. You know, clearly live streaming it. Working on 3 separate systems simultaneously on my own private server with my own private GitHub. You know, clearly I'm half-assing it. Hi, Justin. I know you're stalking, bro. I know you like it, buddy. Justin won't tell me he likes my code. Why is it people that, like, you know, actually like you are like the ones that, like, shit on you the most? That was my experience. It's a recurring theme in my life. Haters gonna hate, right? I guess. Whatever. Not that he hates. Not that other people hate. I definitely have some haters, though. There's a hater and there's a huge stalker. Hi, stalker. You know who you are. And if you're watching... Stalkers. That applies only to stalkers in New England. Out-of-state stalkers, enjoy the show. Everybody else. I got some Haterade on sale in the marketplace. 3 for $1. Get all you can. Enjoy it. Suck it down. That's good. Hey, you know what? You can't be great without a little hate in life. Da 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 da. Baby, come back. Fuck, now I was gonna do it twice. Yeah, it didn't like that. I was like, what are you, crazy? I'm not doing that. Seriously, with this fucking thing today. Definitely didn't like that. Definitely didn't like that. Okay, where was I before I was so rudely interrupted by shout out to my fan club. Go fuck yourself. Okay. Come on, bro. 12 hours. I wouldn't call that a small batch, dude. Okay, let's see if we pass this time. Actually built pretty quick. Okay, so what you just saw, I did some changes and it did a test. There was 12 errors. It could have been tiny little things, which apparently they were. We cleaned them all in one sweep. Now we're back to baseline. And then you push it. CC add get commit. And then if you want, all right, boom, there's all my commits. Feature deposit push 3 minutes ago. Now, okay, so everything's pushing. This is what we want to see. Chuck Norris, thumbs up. Let's check the sniper and see if that actually did anything, because we've been moving on it. Hopefully it's not still the placeholder. I think this is still just the zip shell that I put up. I don't think we changed it yet. Yeah, this is just the regular thing. This is just kind of like a limited function placeholder that I put on there just to get the front end live. Okay. Where were we? UI is still dick all though. Okay, let's go. All right, I think we're about to push everything right now. So it's probably going to crash for a second until the CSS and the other things hit. But let's take a look. Oh, not till we push it, I don't think. No. The shit with that. Just gonna go ahead and fix that one little component that hit the error. And build clears. Amend the previous commit and push. Still no UI changes, buddy. How about this? I'm just gonna keep working, and then when you want me to see the new UI, just fucking tell me. The reason I like these things are just like, all right, let's go. It'll be like, okay, we're gonna we'll fix this, and then I'm like, it's not fixed. It's like, oh, because we haven't done these 500 things yet. I'm like, you just said we're gonna fix it. Bash command, stop talking. I hate arguing with these fucking things. Let's see how this goes. Nope. See if it blew my tunnel. Nope. This fucking thing. You'd be a smart ass, right? stored. Pass, pass, pass. Error, pass. Is there nothing I can say? Nothing I can do? Come to your emotional rescue. Wait for it. Oh, okay, do we get push? It looks like it. Remote. Mission accomplished. Like that work. Fact check. This is a nice setup here I got going on. Before, when I would do this inefficiently, that is, I was working on the live environment, so I'm looking at the website, and then when I hit an actual change marker, the whole thing changed for the better. Or if you fuck up, not so bueno. Now I'm used to working like that, so you know, I get that little anxiety, like, is this gonna work when I click it? And you actually have to push it, not every bit. It's more efficient. Okay, I think after this set right here, I'll be able to see the V2 dash. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see if this bitch builds. Get pushed, baby. See if that one hit. Sure did. Ow, fuck. Zero fucking change. Let's see. Anything else? You want to fucking explain this? Why not one thing's been pushed to fucking anything to the repo? There's not going to be a change until you do that. Yeah, and the UI changed on your pushes, so that tells me something is fucked. Yep, and this has been a long-standing issue. So, the one on the fucking server is it. That is all we're fucking working on. Git pull and get it fucking fixed. Merge whatever we did, push it up, and keep going. Fucking thing. I already fucking did all this shit. Where have you been writing files to, buddy? That fucking URL better be reading from this file system in no fucking place else. I've had it with this shit. Dude. This fucking thing. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see here. I think I should have to go back and switch this. Okay. What the fuck is this thing talking about? If you say so. Yeah, actually built it on the other side, asshole. Oh, now we know the exact problem after 500 years. Alright, we're back to the 502 we already fixed. That should be easy. Oh, fuck you. Sorry. Like when my minions are like, do this change. They're like, oh, you did this wrong. I'm like, stop being toxic. I didn't do shit. I asked you, and you did it wrong. I also try to catch them when they are wrong, but I mean, I'm smart, but my brain can't hold as much shit as they can, so. Work to your strengths and assemble a good team. My minions are just like Grooves, but mine are going to be blue. Like my minions are like the really smart ones. Then you ask them to do something and you actually need their help. They just like roll their eyes at you like you should already know this. They're annoying, kind of like me. PT Barnum of AI, baby. Welcome to the show. Are you not entertained? See what I did there? Empty reply. Yeah, because we did everything someplace else, fucktard. Did you merge over all the work we already did on the platform side to this side so we don't have to do it again? Wouldn't that be helpful? Oh, wait, he did it, so. Yes, but I haven't done that yet. I don't want to pretend I have. Like it's sometimes when you're working with these fucking things, they're like, this isn't working. Let's inspect this, this, and this. Did you bring the files over yet? Oh, no, we didn't. Well, then why are you telling me to waste my fucking time doing something you just haven't done yet? Although they do have accountability. They'll be like, that one's on me. Be like, yeah, it's on you, and because I caught it. Don't be toxic and blame me. did this fucking thing. There you go. Good boy. This is shit we already did like 5 minutes ago, so we just gotta make sure it works there. I think it just needed to be reset after I changed it. That should be good. What the fuck are you talking about? Let's do the same thing again in a different foil and see what... There we go. That's good. That's real good. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Oh, boy. All right. Oh, I didn't see any of that shit. Why is this? All right, enough banging my head off the wall on this one. Let's go bang our head off the wall on the next. I didn't even hit fucking send on that. Fucking kidding me. Okay, back to here. Oh, that's why this thing's all stupid. Okay. Show my databases. Okay, I think the problem is the same problem I'm having with another one right now, and it's that we never pointed the actual URL to the be running from the GitHub repos, or my GitHub repo, so that has to take place now. Yeah, let's go. Bash commands, fucker. Come on. This is going to blow this thing up. You know, what's annoying is every time I have to put this damn password, I have to get out of my fucking seat. I hate that. You want to know why I hate that? Because what you can't see, I've got my feet up on the desk, I'm lounging, I'm chilling, I'm comfortable, and then I have to, like, get uncomfortable to do it. Yeah. Remember what I said about blowing the fucking thing up? No, it's gonna be it. What the fuck is this? All right. That's all you got there, pal. I don't know what the fuck to tell you. Oh, what? Now you want all the other ones that are going to blow it up too? Okay, cool. Ow. I already know which one's serving it. It's the wrong one. Honestly, this is just like a wiring thing. Well, it's not a wiring thing. It's put everything on the GitHub, but it's still the URL still showing the file system I was working on for my server, which is not right. We need it over here. But I've been doing over here with a whole bunch of other ones, so it's getting done. Okay, on to the next one. I don't even know who the hell is working with. I was working on him. You're still BS. Okay, back down to this BS. Okay, that's good. And we know we need to do this. You have no idea how taxing this much cognitive load is trying to keep track of 3 insane builds at the same time. You know, it looks easy, because I make it look easy, but give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. So basically, I'm working at 3 high-end AI integrated I have multiple key pieces of my architecture running in all 3 of these that I'm working on simultaneously. They're also new builds and upgraded to certain different things. So it's not like I said, oh, I have this complete product, I want to bring it over here. I have this development. I have tons and tons of development that has structure, but the structure bled over a little, and let's try and organize it. And then, you know, I'm also in a rush because I gotta make it to the show. So, well, you know, again, I'm gonna need bash commands for that, buddy. Come on. And these things drift, like, it'll do the workflow that I tell it to do, right? Like the format I like to work in. So I can push a few things, small batch, check, test the build, and then push. It's reasonable. And then, you know, we'll be going great for a while. And then it'll be like, oh, dude, this isn't. It'll give you the same workflow without the fucking commands. I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna read 10 paragraphs about what you're. Just fucking do it. Give me the cliff notes. I don't care on your logic. I mean, I skim it, but it's annoying. Are we back to here again? This is bullshit. Whoops. Fuck. I wasn't supposed to do that. I definitely probably wasn't supposed to do that. Oh well. There it is. Boom. Mm. So as soon as I find this, I'll fix. I don't think it has any of the CSS on it right now. I'm just gonna move that ish over. That should be good. Mm-hmm. Oh no, I got a dirty app TSX. That's horrible. I know that. Down and oh shit. Sorry. I mean, it occurs. Shit, I'm not sorry. It's my channel. It's my show. I do it occasionally. My bad. No shit, the CSS isn't being imported. Fucked hard. Do 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 do. Been counting, I can't get myself in the teeth. I will see tomorrow. Alright, bud. Do 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 do. Oh. What? What? I wanna be in sound. Dude. No. Hmm. What the fuck I say? Oh, okay. All right. Ow. What am I doing? On these. Bash. Commands. Buddy. Why the fuck does it keep kicking me back to that? That's fucking annoying. What? Was it not fucking here? Well, now. Alright, that's the shitty one I did, but there's 4 branches connected. So that's the problem too. Which one do we gotta push to the main? That's the main one. Oh, this is that junk one. Fucking get rid of this thing. Okay, good enough. Saving what? I don't even fucking see it in the fucking kit anywhere, so no idea where the fuck you're getting that from. Fix it, push it to the fucking Git so it's caught up. It's just... I want to punch this thing right now. You have no idea. I don't see a fucking shit. I don't see jack all shit. And why the fuck are you making Mickey Mouse changes when we got gigantic repository of fucking templates you can just pull in? Like, let's fucking go already. Yeah, I've said that 100 times. Can we fucking do it now? Just fucking do it. Let's go.